What's up, Facebook? Sky Prescott. Anyway, this is another video I'm making for my Operation Blast project, which is I'm setting up where I set up a email bulk mailer. I made a previous video on how to warm up your IP. So now I just obtained or acquired a spam trap list, and it provided me 127 million emails that I'm gonna upload to Mailwizz, my server, so that I don't get into the spam trap. So it's a pretty huge list, a big list. So I have to clean it because the list is so huge. You're gonna have duplicate emails and emails that are like not actual emails. So anyway, I just wanted to make a quick video to show you guys the process. It's definitely a tedious process. As you can see here on the left, the folder list here, everything that's folderized here, 001 to 008, I've already cleaned. So now I am going to clean this list. So what I had to do is I had to split the list, because 127 million emails or a list is like way too big. So that the list is broken down in smaller chunks. So right now I've got them, I believe they're broken down to like 300, little under 400,000 emails, which makes it a little bit more manageable. So anyway, I'm gonna kind of show you the process that I take to clean the list. So first things first, I'm gonna sort it. Can't think today. So as you can see, the input file is this here. The output file, I put S in it just so that I know that it's been sorted. So now I'm going to sort it. Okay, so that's done. Next step in the process is to duplicates. Oops. Hang on here. Give me a minute. Give me 1 minute. Made a mistake here. It's alright. We can fix that. Okay. So the input file is this here, full-list-009, and the output file is going to be with a -s, meaning that I've sorted it. So I'll let the software run. Boom. Okay, it's done. Now I am going to remove duplicates. However, I gotta clear that, and I've gotta upload the file the output file that just was created, which is that. Start. Okay, boom. Duplicates removed. So now, let's go to the cleaner. Input file is going to be the last output file. I don't want anything more than 40 characters, for the username to be more than 40 characters. And then users Okay, so S for sort, D for duplicates, and C meaning it's been cleaned. So now I'm going to run it. So as you can see, 2 files was created. One file is rejected, and this is the actual file that I'm going to S-D-C is the actual file that I'm going to be uploading to my server once I'm done cleaning the lists here. So if I were to open this file here and I use it to edit with Notepad, you see the sorted list. Which is super long. You see 255. Oh, I'm sorry. Let me take that. The lists were broken down to 2.5 million, not 300,000. My bad. Okay. Edit with Notepad. So it's 2557009. So this is when it's been sorted, which is, oops, I think I just opened the same file. Yeah, I did. Oh no, I didn't. I opened the remove duplicate file. So now 2557009 is now 6974, and this here should be the final file once it's all clean, sorted, remove duplicates and cleaned. And so I'm down to 2553940. So you're looking at about 3,000 emails that got deleted. So anyway, hang on. Let me create a new folder. List -0009, and let me open that up and create another folder in here, 0009-S D-C. Okay, so final file, and then the rest of the files I put in this folder here, and that's it. So anyway, like I said, I just wanted to make a quick video for you guys. Hope you guys like it.